What's up, creative people? Rabbi Jones here from RBG Creative Studio, and today is another tutorial. So someone asked me how I created the circle around as a elevate artwork that's proof, and I didn't really have much time, so I wanted to get over it so that you people understand how I got about this effect right here. Okay, so let's create a new workspace. So you go to new and blah blah blah. I think you already know the procedure to this. So yeah, create a new workspace, drop in your rulers, horizontal and vertical. Okay, so first thing I did was, let me overlay the background with a color. Okay. Nice. So the first thing I did was go in for the ellipse tool. So if you want to create a how do you call it? A round text. You first go in for the ellipse, then you create the circle, and you have to make sure that the circle is quite big enough. So the way you want the text to be, same way you have to create the circle to be. So it's as simple as ABC. After opening or after creating your ellipse, you just go in for the text, that's the text tool, and you drag the text to the end or the edge of the ellipse, and you see there's this curved type of line on the text. So you just click on it and automatically they will give you default texts. So these are the default texts that they gave me. It's dummy text, there's lorem ipsum and all those things. So I'll change, no, I think the color is perfect. I'll change the font for that and the size too. Then I'll type in what I want to type in. So I want to type in proof. So proof in uppercase, proof. Let me put proof in ultra. Okay, so proof, then you space it out, then you type another proof, you space it out, and you type another proof, space it out, type another proof, space, proof, space, proof, and another space and another proof. Okay, so here you have it. This is how it goes. You can reduce the size for it and type more proofs, space, proof, space, proof, and yeah, let me see if we'll get another proof there. Proof, no, okay, proof and proof. Okay, so let me scale this up a bit so it crashes together. Yep. Okay, so after that you just hit on enter and you're good to go. So this is what you're going to get after creating the text around the ellipse. You can toggle off the text, leaving the text, you can toggle off the ellipse, leaving the text only, and this is how you get your rounded text effect. So let's say I'm creating an audio slide or something. You can animate the proof for it to go around in circles or something like that. Yeah, it's quite nice. I've already done an audio slide for this, and let me see if I can show you guys how it went. It's quite marvelous, it's quite nice, and yeah, let me see, I think it's here. So basically having this in your designs is perfect. It's the trend now. I've seen people create. Yeah, so this is the the effect that I did for the proof. You see it's spinning. I also threw in some rays in there, some light rays, and it's quite good. Yeah, so basically you can do whatever you want with this, and that's it. So guys, that's it for the video. Kindly subscribe, like the video, share, hit the like button, do whatever you have to do. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. And guys, I'll be bringing Creative Insight season 1 episode 2 very soon, and soon means probably tomorrow or the day after tomorrow or the day before tomorrow. Yeah, so kindly subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch up with you guys the next time. Bye bye.